Hi guys. Here at school guys. Here at Barangay Pinagkaisahan, Quezon City, along A. Rodriguez. Wow, wala pang traffic guys oh. Swerte. Alam ko 3 PM ang dismissal. Swerte oh, wala pang traffic oh. Swerte guys. Swerte. Swerte guys. Wow. May mga waiting na. Alert tayo kasi baka mamaya merong MMD. Makahuli tayo dito. Delikado. Sana ba yung aking susundo? Dito tayo. Double park dito. Double park. Double park tayo guys. Here at A. Rodriguez. A. Rodriguez Senior Avenue. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.